My grandmother, Vilasini Desikan, was diagnosed with diabetes when she turned 40 years old. A doctor told her that she needed to be on medications for life. And it was true. For 30 years, every year she'd go back to the doctor. She would see increased sugar levels and her doctor would put her on increased medications. But after 30 years, when she changed her lifestyle and adopted a healthier lifestyle, in just 10 days' time, she managed to drop her insulin injections from 24 units a day down to 8 units a day, get rid of 90% of her medications, and brought her sugar levels back to normal for the first time in over a decade. I've seen hundreds of patients like Vilasini, like my grandmother, reverse diabetes just through healthier lifestyles. People who have been newly diagnosed with diabetes have been able to reverse it without the use of any medications at all in just a few weeks' time. In the Reversing Diabetes webinar, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can achieve this as well. For decades, we thought that diabetes is an irreversible condition, a condition that you cannot cure, incurable, and you needed to be on medications for life. But we know today that diabetes is not just preventable and treatable, but in fact reversible if only we are ready to make lifestyle changes. Now, if you are somebody who is ready to change your lifestyle, whether it's a small change or a large leap, whichever you decide, then join me on the Reversing Diabetes webinar and I'll show you the signs of reversing diabetes. I'll be talking about the root causes of diabetes, why diabetes comes in the first place, and what causes it in the body, what are the physiological mechanisms, and we'll talk about what we can do in our diet and lifestyle to reverse these changes at the cellular level and get our muscles to recover from the injury caused due to fat and start responding normally to insulin once again. We will also talk about how the pancreatic function actually returns almost back to normal in just 2 years' time, which a very recent research paper has found. I'll be talking about diet, exercise, and the role of mental peace in reversing diabetes. Very excited to be sharing this knowledge with you, and I hope that, like my grandmother benefited from so many doctors who treated her in lifestyle medicine and which have probably saved her life now, I'll be able to help you save your life and your families with a healthier lifestyle. It's time to take our health in our hands. Join me at the Reverse Diabetes webinar to learn more. Be blessed.